afternoon. I am Edian Manuel Emilia, and today I will be performing the lungs and thorax assessment. Good afternoon, sir. I am a student nurse at Edian Manuel Emilia, and today I will be performing the thorax and lungs assessment. Sir, as a form of confirmation, can you state your name?
My name is Jerome Giovanni.
Can I look at your wristband? Okay, so you are the right patient. Yes, this afternoon. Can I ask you to sit down, sir? Are you able to sit down with your own? Now, can you take off your shirt? Now, can you face that side? Now, I will be inspecting the posterior thorax. First, I will be inspecting for the shape and configuration of the chest wall and positioning of the scapula. Inspect also for the accuracy of the accessory muscles. Sir, can you inhale? And then exhale. So the both shoulders are not moving, then it's good. Then I have also to inspect lines positioning, noting for the posture and ability to sustain weight while sitting. Then I have to palpate for the tenderness and sensation. Sir, I will be palpating your back in order for me to know if there are any masses or lesions on your skin. Is that okay? Right. While palpating, you can use 2 to 3 pads of your fingers. And then I have to palpate for the fremitus. Sir, can you say 99? As I can observe, there are vibrations, so the client is safe and he is in normal state. I have also to palpate for the chest expansion. Now you have to put your both thumbs on the patient's back on the D9 or D10. Right, sir, can you inhale and then exhale? Again, inhale, exhale. Okay. Percuss for the tone starting at the apices above the scapula and across the tops of both shoulders. So I will be percussing the back of the patient. Then I have to percuss for the diaphragmatic excursion. So ask the patient to inhale and then exhale and to hold. Sir, can you inhale and then exhale, hold. Since this area is dull, then I have to mark it down. Now that I have done checking the posterior thorax, I am now ready to assess for the anterior thorax. So first, I will be inspecting for the shape and configuration. I also have to inspect for the position of the sternum from anterior and lateral viewpoints. Inspect also for the slope of the ribs and inspect for the quality and pattern of respiration. Then I have to palpate for tenderness and sensations using 2 to 3 pads of my feet. Can you face here? There are no any lumps or masses found in your precordium area. Then I have to palpate for the fremitus while the client says 99. Sir, can you sit up straight? Then each time I put my head on your chest, they say 99. Okay? Then I have to palpate for the chest expansion by placing my hands on the anterolateral wall with my thumbs. Sir, please inhale and then exhale. Again, inhale, exhale. Alright. And then I have to percuss for the tone above the clavicles and then the intercostal spaces across down, comparing the sides. auscultate for the breath sounds, adventitious sounds, and the body sounds. Sir, can you see this, right? Because I will be auscultating your voices. Determine the breath sounds and use the diaphragm. This time I will be performing or assessing the cardiovascular system. So first I will be estimating the cardiac activity. Certainly, please. Doing this sounds blood process. Next, we have to complete for jugular veins. Upon palpating, use 2 to 3 finger pads and just like palpation in order to prevent the blockage of the circulation of the blood to the brain. Now I will be inspecting the veins. Observe the side. And then I will be measuring the jugular vein using the metric ruler. The normal range is 2 to 3 millimeters. Next, I will inspect for the visible pulsations of the heart, pulse for location, size, strength, and duration of the pulsation. Then I will have to percuss the cone above the clavicles. Alright. And then I have to auscultate for the breath sounds, adventitious sounds, and the body sounds. Sir, can you see this, right? Because I will be auscultating your voices. Determine the breath sounds and use the diaphragm. Sir, good afternoon again. Today I will be assessing your abdomen. So I have also made a relevant assessment such as taking your vital signs to ensure that the client or still requires the procedure. And also I have explained the procedure to you and provides privacy upon doing the procedure. Now I'll be inspecting the skin of your abdomen, noting for the color, vascularity, striae, scars, lesions, and inspect for the umbilicus, noting for color, location, and contours. Sir, can I check your abdomen? Now I can see that you don't have any skin lesions, and the symmetry of your abdomen is symmetrical, and also it is flat. Your umbilicus is okay, and there are no signs of any kinds of lesions. And next, I have to inspect for the symmetry of the abdomen and auscultate for the vowel sounds, noting the intensity, pitch, and frequency. Also auscultate for vascular sounds and friction rubs. No any kinds of abnormal sounds on the stomach. And after that, I have to percuss the abdomen for tone and percuss the liver. Next is your liver. I have to percuss your liver. Timpani, means the liver plate. And then, I have to perform the scratch test, measure vertical span of liver, dullness, and percuss the speed of the scratch test. First, I have to percuss the liver. And then, have to perform the percussion on the kidneys. And then, perform light palpation, noting the tenderness, masses in all quadrants. Perform deep palpation, noting tenderness, masses in all quadrants. And also palpate the aorta. And next is palpate the aorta. And then, I have to palpate the liver, noting also for the consistency and tenderness, and palpate also the spleen. So, can you exhale? Are you in pain? No. Yes, your spleen. Exhale. Are you in pain? And then palpate the kidneys and also palpate the urinary bladder. Sakit, sir? The other side. Sakit, sir. Direct. Masakit, sir. And you kind of pain or lumainit ka. Right. Let's go, please. Okay, I'm shifting on this. Okay, so I have to perform the shifting dullness. So first, I have to percuss here, tympani, 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 down, tympani. And then perform the fluid wave test. Sir, can you put your hand here like that? So I'll be performing the fluid test. So, wala iser sa tubig. Nakainom ka kanina?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm dehydrated.
And perform tests for appendicitis. First is the rebound tenderness. So, sir, please say if may sakit yung mga batyagan after this, okay? Again. And I have to, the Roofsing sign. Okay, sir? Again. Alright. Then, I have to perform the psoas sign and obturator sign. Okay, sir, can you flex your right leg? Tapos butangan ko siya, sir, some pressure and i-try mo i-lift ang imo nga tuhod. And tell me if there are any pain you can feel in your this side, okay? Sige, sir. Are you in pain? Alright. And next is the obturator sign. Okay, so, sir, can you please move? Right. Tell me, sir, again if may sakit na mga batyagan. Okay? Sakit. And lastly is the Murphy's sign. Sakit, sir. Now, I have done the assessment of the abdomen. I also check and observe the client's response to the procedure all throughout, sir. How was your feeling after the procedure? Are you okay? Have you experienced any uncomfortabilities, pain, anything? Wala. Okay. And check if the client is comfortable. Safe position with call like in which after the procedure. Dispose. Also, I have disposed this way. Have you experienced any uncomfortabilities, pain, anything? Wala. Okay. And check if the client is comfortable. Safe position with call like in which after the procedure. Dispose. Also, I have disposed the supplies and materials I have gathered, and also I washed my hands after the procedure. And I also have evaluated the general status of the client. He said that he is okay and there are no any kind of uncomfortability that he has experienced. And after this, I have to document that I have now done assessing my patient from the thorax and lungs, the posterior and anterior, and also the cardiovascular system and the abdominal system. Thank you for listening to this video, and sir, thank you for cooperation also and for your time in cooperating with our procedures.